Hello students, this is Kshitij Mehta again, and we'll start from the current slide. Customizing the desktop. What does customizing mean? Customizing means you are making changes to the desktop, like giving a different color, changing the font size, changing the background of the desktop according to your mood, according to your wish, in which you feel much better. So customizing means making choices and making it more creative, more decorative than the previous version out of the options which are available. Also, you can make many more changes into it to make it more personalized. So customizing is that. Windows is quite flexible and provides option to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. Follow the steps to change the color scheme of the computer screen. The first customization which we are going to learn now is giving customization color. Customization, the color which I like, I am going to apply it, and let's see how beautiful it looks. The steps for that are: right click on the blank area of the desktop and select the personalize option. A dialog box will open. Click on the Windows color option located at the bottom of the dialog box. Select any color to change the Windows borders. Start menu and taskbar. Let's see. Right click, personalize, and over here is the color. Click on the color. You can choose the color of your choice. You can see the border has changed to green color. You can see the taskbar color is also changing. Okay, whatever you feel is much better, you can check it, you can select it, and then click on save the changes. And this is how your new theme will look like. Okay, practice at home. Then select enable transparency option. The Windows glass bar and taskbar becomes transparent. Select the color intensity option. It will affect on Windows glass borders. Start menu and taskbar's color strength. Click on show color mixture option to set the hue, saturation, brightness option to give color effect. Click on the advanced appearance settings option. Windows color and appearance dialog box will open. Click on the drop down arrow at the item list box and select active title bar option from the list. Now click on the color list box and select any color of your choice. Similarly, click on font list box and change the font settings. Click on OK. You will find a change in the appearance of Windows. Click on apply button and then click on OK. So right click, resolution, color mixture is there, hue, this is hue. See how it looks like, how the hue is looking, how it is changing. See, See how it is changing. Oh, that's it. The darkness, the lightness, the saturation means more whiteness, more darkness, more brightness, less brightness. Okay. From here you can make changes. Click on Save Changes. Not only that, you can also have screensaver. You can have bubbles as a setting if you want. Wait for 1 minute. Okay, you can listen it. No, it's okay. Let's wait. Click on apply and click on OK button and just wait for a minute, about 60 seconds, and the bubbles will come up and it will look much beautiful. It's just a kind of a screensaver. You can make lots of changes into it, and you'll have to wait for some time so that it gets activated and start bubbling up. Beautiful bubbles. That's the screensaver. Looks so glossy and so nice. Okay. Display device. So many things you can explore over here. Control panel is over here. Display settings over here. Calibrate color, personalization, back to your themes, and got more themes if you want to have online. So all the steps are very easy to do. Okay, and that completes that part. And let's move on to the next part, is the gadgets. The gadgets are in Windows are like the last part are the desktop gadgets. The desktop gadgets. Windows contains many programs called gadgets which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to frequently used tools. Windows 7 gadgets are calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, weather, feed, headlines, slideshow, puzzles, pictures, Windows Media Center. And adding the gadgets, right click on the blank area of the desktop and select gadget option. The gadget will open. Double click on the gadgets that you want to place on the desktop. The gadgets gets placed on the right side of the desktop. So how to do that? Okay, now desktop gadgets. Windows contains many programs called gadgets which offer information at a glance and provides easy access to frequently used tools. Windows 7 gadgets are calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, weather, feed headlines, slideshow, picture puzzle, and Windows Media Center WinZip gadgets. So these are different kind of gadgets which we can use in the desktop. it is further beautifying our desktop if we have few gadgets on the desktop. I mean, everything is not required, only few things like clock, weather, calendar, slideshow. If you have the couple of photographs of your family, you can put it, and a slideshow can be used so that when you're not using your desktop, it will keep on rolling the photograph of your family. Okay, few of them we'll see over here. Few gadgets like how to add such kind of gadgets. Right click on the blank area of the desktop and select gadgets option. Double click the gadget that you want to place on the desktop. The gadget gets placed on the right side of the desktop. Here it is. Few gadgets are clock, CPU meter, currency, then multimedia, weather, slideshow, picture puzzle, feed headlines. This is antivirus AVG. So as shown in our textbook by Kips. Let us learn further what few of the gadgets on the desktop are. First is clock. It displays the time. To change the clock name and clock style, click the option button and make the desired changes. So this button is a setting button, and setting button helps in changing the design of the clock. Slideshow, it displays the continuous slideshow of pictures on a computer. Click the option button for setting, making changes into it as shown in your textbook also, and select the picture folder, speed and transition effect between the pictures. So what is transition? It is the movement of photograph. First photograph, then second, then third, then fourth, like that. So in a sequential manner it will keep on showing you the photographs. So that's known as transition. Last is weather. This gives the weather information either in Celsius or Fahrenheit of any place around the world. Okay, and then thank you, keep smiling. But before going, I'll show you the steps over here. Right click, here the option gadget is, click on the gadgets. So these are few gadgets which are already there. The clock is one of the gadget. If I want to keep this gadget on the screen, that is on the desktop. See, the CPU meter is also there, calendar is also there, CPU meter, desktop calculator is there, clipboard is there, so many different things. Weather is there, currency is there, CPU utilization is there. So all agenda, so many kind of gadgets are available. Out of that, I'm selecting the clock. Left click 2 times. The gadget will be placed on the right hand side of the screen. And what we are talking about for making changes is this option. Okay. When you click on it, the gadget is open. If you want to make some changes, this is a second type of clock. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. So 9 different kind of clocks are available. Whatever you like, you select it and press OK. So one of the gadget is ready. Another, if you want to add, again right click on the desktop, gadgets, weather if you want, left click 2 times, there it is. Another kind of gadget is ready. Let's see if they have Rajkot, India, Gujarat. Yes. Okay. It's Fahrenheit. This is the 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. So with this, we complete our chapter. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep smiling. Bye bye. From Kshitij Mehta.